In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your profile picture on chess.com quickly and easily. Whether you want more privacy, a cleaner profile, or you just don't like your current picture anymore, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your current profile picture or avatar is displayed. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From here, you want to navigate to your settings. In most cases, you'll see an option labeled Settings or All Settings, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside the settings page, you'll notice several sections on the left-hand side. What you're looking for here is the Profile section. Click on Profile to open up your profile customization options. This is where you can edit your username details, bio, and of course, your profile picture. Now focus on your current profile image. Near your picture, you should see an option that allows you to change or remove it. Look for a button or link that says Remove. Go ahead and click on Remove. As soon as you do this, your current profile picture will be cleared from your account. In some cases, chess.com may replace your picture with a default avatar automatically, which is completely normal. If you want to keep your profile without a custom image, you can simply leave it as is. There's no need to upload anything new unless you want to. If you don't immediately see the remove option, double check that you're in the correct profile settings area and not another tab. Sometimes the layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the option will always be within your profile settings. And that's it. You've successfully removed your profile picture on chess.com. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.